Welcome to Time Safari Incorporated.
Here's my check. Does this safari guarantee I come back alive?
We guarantee nothing except dinosaurs. This is your guide, Mr. Travis.
I'll be taking you on your time safari. Follow me to the armory.
Wow, look at all the dinosaur bait. Wow, look at that time machine. Thank God Keith won the presidency yesterday, otherwise it would be chaos.
And make a great president. Otherwise this country would be a dictatorship.
Everybody put on your air masks. Eccles, here's your weapon. Your clips.
I'm Travis's assistant, Les Bronze.
I'm Kramer, and I'm one of the people that are going on a safari.
Can these guns stop a dinosaur cold?
If you hit them right, some dinosaurs have two brains, one in the head and one's farther down the spinal column, so it's your best luck to go for the eyes first, then the brain. We're nearing the end of the journey. Stay to the path.
Why?
Because if you walk off the path, step on a mouse, that mouse makes more mice, and those mice are used for foxes to eat, and then the foxes will die off, and we eat the foxes, and the foxes will die, or we will die off, and our civilization will never exist. Or at least that's what we think will happen.
A dinosaur should be up here, and it should have a red dot on it.
Okay, let's go, guys. Stay on the path. Up ahead.
Oh crap, that thing is way too big. I can't do it, guys. I mean, I've always been safe before. I've had good guides.
Okay, we'll head back to the time machine and we'll remit half your fun.
No, I don't know. What can I do? I gotta go.
Sus!
Ah!
Eccles, you ran off the path. Why'd you do that?
I don't know. It was just fear. Couldn't. Bullets. Okay, we're going back. Wait, everything feels so different, and the sign is different too. Wait, who's the president?
The Duchess.
Oh, how could that little... I stepped on a butterfly. How could that little thing change so much? No. Please.